Hey guys, I'm back and I've got an update on the Raspberry Jam project. I want to start a little bit talking about Jacktrip, which is the software that I mentioned that I wanted to run on the Pi in order to emulate what the Jamlink does. So Jacktrip is a software that was actually created by Chris Chafe at Stanford University, and he uses it in a course he has. He teaches on online jamming. So he's also written a paper about running Jacktrip on a Pi, so we're not really breaking new ground here, and that information from Chris and of course his software has been a big help. The paper uses Fedora, so we did have to modify some of his instructions to use Raspbian, but we've been able to do that. So we've got a GitHub page up with a wiki and an installation script to get Jacktrip on a Pi. So we've successfully been able to get Jacktrip running on here. I found a sound card actually that is I2S and inexpensive. It's $15.95. It's called FE Pi. I've got a couple of those to develop here with. Unfortunately, I contacted the creator of this board and he's out of stock and will be for the next couple weeks. But in the meantime, a USB sound card can work. Something like this would just get lower latency. But I've actually successfully connected with another user across town using this sound card, running Jacktrip on here. So we've at least gotten that far. So anybody that wants to follow along, I'll put a link in the description of the GitHub page that has information on how to get a Pi set up to start making connections. Now that we're kind of at this point, it's all about how do we make it better, how do we make connections easier, because right now there's still a manual process of starting Jacktrip, typing in IP addresses in order to get connected. So we want to kind of streamline all that. But so far, a lot of good progress. Stay tuned and we'll see what else we can do.